The chemical industry depends on carbon to produce essential basic materials, chemicals that are needed everywhere. But so far, almost all of this carbon comes from fossil sources. When a product is eventually incinerated, disposed of, or decomposes, its embedded carbon is released as CO2, harming the climate. That's why replacing fossil energy alone isn't enough. The embedded carbon in products also has to become fossil-free. Carbon can come, for example, from recycling and biomass. Both are important sources of carbon, but they can't meet the demand on their own. Because recycling can only recover what's already in the cycle. And biomass faces limits in land use, water, and competition with food production. Power-to-X technologies can provide the remaining carbon the chemical industry needs in form of basic chemicals made from CO2, water, and renewable electricity. However, PTX requires large amounts of energy, infrastructure, and CO2 and may create new trade-offs. Only if PTX chemicals become available early, economically viable, and properly certified can they strengthen climate protection, competitiveness, and supply security. A rapid and sustainable market ramp-up is essential for this. To make that happen, we need environmental standards and clear rules, enabling the targeted use of PTX where no alternatives exist. It's important to remember that PTX doesn't store or reduce fossil carbon. It replaces it. Additional climate benefits arise when fewer products, and thus less carbon overall, are needed. In everyday life, we can save carbon through durable products, repair, and reduced single-use consumption. In industry, this means more efficient processes, circular design, and new business models. Policy can support this transformation through funding, binding standards, and reliable framework conditions. The transition to fossil-free chemistry is a task for society as a whole, but industry plays a central role. We need new industrial plants, new products, new business models. Now is the time to make them a reality.